Join me as I clean out the messiest room in our house today on the Daily Connoisseur. Hi everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. So this is our pool room. We call it that because it has a door that leads right to the pool. And right now it is a complete mess. It's become a catch-all for random things. You're about to see the tour. Okay, so let me show you the before of this room. The main things that have gathered in this room are toys, stuffed animals, excess throw pillows, and there are a few baskets full of miscellaneous objects that just need to be dealt with. The plan is to move the stuffed animals to the toy closet and some of the excess pillows to the linen closet. Some will stay, but for now, I need to get them out of this space. I have a little helper here too, which is very nice. As you can see in the hallway, our shoe rack also needs to be decluttered again, but I'm not going to focus on that today. The focus of my spring cleaning this year will be to declutter the home on an area by area basis and not stress about it. With 4 kids, I do find it challenging to constantly keep up on the clutter and the objects that are brought into the home. In addition to that, I went down with pneumonia at the beginning of the year, and then I had to go on a second round of antibiotics. Actually, when I was filming this video, I wasn't feeling that well. At this point, I had been sick for most of 2025, and it's been pretty dreadful, but I just allowed myself to let things slide since I spent nearly 3 weeks in bed. So now the plan is to just deal with it all calmly, not rushing, no shame, just getting it done. So what characterizes the Madame Chic method of decluttering? If you're new to my channel, my Madame Chic series documents the time that I spent living in Paris with a French family. Keeping in line with the philosophy of my Madame Chic books, I will do my spring cleaning in a calm and elegant manner and give myself a treat at the end of it, which you'll see later. I'm definitely more casual than Madame Chic. She was always dressed up, even when doing housework. But for large projects like this, I find it more practical to wear comfy clothing that I can easily move in, like my cozy sweats by Merci. Okay, this basket right here is full of old sewing material. Toys, pens, Christmas decorations even, just lots of miscellaneous things. So we go through that and clear it up. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so it feels really good to go through this pile and sweep up the floor afterwards. Next, I'm cleaning off the top of the filing cabinet. I decide to cover it as well with a sheet and blanket because I find it unsightly, so that's what I do there. Then I tackle another corner in the space and put those things where they belong. And now for the TV stand. We don't actually use this TV, but I don't want to take it out without consulting with the family first, so I'll leave it here for now and just dust off the top. This TV stand is from Lindsay Home. I'll link it down below. It's very affordable if you're looking for a budget piece. I'm about to take a lunch break, but first I'd like to take a minute to share Birch Living with you, who have kindly sponsored today's video. Did you know that getting a good night's sleep can not only reduce your stress and improve your mood, but improve your attention and memory to better perform your daily activities? It's National Sleep Awareness Month, if you didn't know that, and I'm really happy to be partnering with Birch Living because a good mattress can help you get your best night of sleep. Birch make mattresses crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. Their mattresses are free from polyurethane foams, which can cause harmful off-gassing, and are also free from fiberglass, which can be harmful to your health. We've had our Birch mattress for years, and when we recently upgraded our daughter's bedrooms, of course we went with Birch because they are the best. I'll tell you why we wanted these mattresses for our children. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that is made with organic and natural materials because unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in the Birch mattresses make them hypoallergenic as they are both allergen and mildew resistant. In addition to being a better mattress for us, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the United States. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. We love our Birch mattresses, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch Living. Head to birchliving.com/Daily Connoisseur to get started on improving your sleep and get 25% off your Birch mattress. All right, I'm making a quick chicken fajita/tostada for lunch today, and this is very welcome because I have worked up a major appetite. It is important to take breaks when you're undergoing a big project like this, and also to nourish yourself as well. These were delicious. After lunch, I tend to the plants and I sweep the floor some more. And now for the truly fun part. I'm going to hang up some more artwork on the walls. I want this room to have a gallery feel. In addition to hanging up a few paintings, I'm also taping up some of my children's artwork. I plan to buy frames for them, but for now, since I don't have those, I'm just taping them up. Okay, it's very important for me to use artwork that is personal and means something, and so many of these pieces have that for me. So for example, my sister painted this picture when she was in high school. This is by artist Rebecca Lee, Jose Trujillo. This is by artist Richard Burrell. I love him and his wife Ellie's beautiful artwork. I'm going to leave all the artists down below so you can follow them. I painted that painting like so long ago in 2006. I've got a lot of Jose mixed in with my children's artwork here, which is really important to me. This is from Katie Rose, and my son did this. And then of course I have the Daily Connoisseur merch here, which is steampunk and beautiful. So like the art has to mean something to me, and I've strategically put a lot of them to cover some of the unsightly outlets too. So that's the rhyme or reason there. I want this to be a place where the kids can read and feel at home as well. So I have some favorite childhood classics here. Alice in Wonderland, Winnie the Pooh, Shel Silverstein poems, King Arthur. I want to find a better plant stand for that plant. But basically, I just want this room to be a complete haven, a place where kids and adults can come to escape. We have some pillows on the ground still, because the kids like to come in here and sometimes they'll play their iPads or read a book. Here comes one right now. And, you know, I've just left some space here in case they wanted to build a fort or play or anything like that. Okay, I'm about to enjoy my white chocolate truffle, which I've saved for this moment, and also a nice hot cup of PG Tips. So I hope that if you embarked on a decluttering project as well today, that you treat yourself too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. Head to birchliving.com/daily connoisseur to get started on improving your sleep and get 25% off your Birch mattress. Thank you so much for watching today, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.